Hey, it's me, Steve WB. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be welcoming a new member to the camera family, and that's going to be the Lumix G9. Now this camera was the flagship for Lumix for photography, but recently, well, I say recently, I mean it's been a little while, they did an upgrade to this which gave this some of the same capabilities as the GH5 and made it a really nice video camera and stills camera as well. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to do a comparison of this camera against the DJI Osmo Pocket and see if it's worth carrying the extra size and the extra weight for the improved quality at places like Disney World, because we just spent 3 days there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some side-by-side footage from the G9 and from old trusty rusty my Osmo Pocket, and we're going to see which one looks better. And you know, I'm pretty sure that the G9 is going to look better, but what we have to decide for ourselves is the quality difference enough to justify to carry this over this all day. So without any further delay, let's take a look at that footage right now. So obviously the G9 looks quite a bit better. Not as stable as the Osmo Pocket, but you're getting a lot more, it seems, on the dynamic range and as far as just, colors and everything else. But is it that big enough difference that you're going to carry around all the extra weight and have a camera strapped around your neck or carrying a camera bag all day? That's going to be up for you to decide. For me, I'm just going to probably carry both, because I think they both have their purposes. You know, sometimes you just want to get that real high quality video. However, at the end of the day, it's up to you to decide if you want to carry a big camera or the little DJI Osmo Pocket, or does the DJI Osmo Pocket just do well enough for what you need and there's no point in carrying the other camera. So you decide that. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.